In this problem, we are given a context. So it says the student council throws an annual carnival fundraiser. The second year, there were 55 people in attendance. By the fourth year, there were 105 people in attendance. And our task is to write a linear equation. Whenever it's asking us to write a linear equation, what it wants us to write is y equals mx plus b. And so that means we need to find m and we need to find b. And so in order to do that, we are going to first find m using the slope formula. So we're going to want to use the slope formula to find the slope between 2 points. But this is all in words, so it doesn't look like it gives us 2 points, but it does. It just says them instead of typing them out. And so this is one of the points. The second year, there were 55 people. That's one. And the second one is fourth year, there were 105 people. So those are our 2 points. We just need to write them as independent variable, comma, dependent variable. So our x is always our independent and our y is always our dependent. And so we just have to quickly ask ourselves, is years or people independent in this context? And we can kind of, what I like to do is I like to say a sentence like, does years passing cause there to be more people? Or if there's more people, does that cause the year to pass? And obviously it's the first one, so as years go on, more people come to this event. Just because we had more people doesn't mean the years is going to pass. So the independent variable is the year, and the dependent is the people. And so when I write my 2 points, I want to write it as year. So in this case, it's 2, comma, 55. And my second point would be 4, comma, 105. Once we have these, then we can use our slope formula. And if you need a review on the slope formula, you can watch the video for 221 because I'm going to go fairly quickly through this. But we would end up with 105 minus 55 over 4 minus 2, which gives us 50 over 2, or 25. And so this is my m, and I like to put it in a cloud because I only need m and b, and so I want to like draw my attention to those 2 things when I get done. So I have m. Now I need to find b, so I'm going to kind of separate my work. To find b, we want to use the m we just had, and one of these 2 points, and use y equals mx plus b, and plug in what we know. If you need a review on this, you can watch the video for 222, because I'm going to go quickly through this one as well. But I'm going to use this first point, so y is 55, m is 25, x is 2, and we don't know b. And then we can simplify this to get that b is 5. And so this is my second piece of information that I need. I need m and I need b, because now to write my linear equation, I just plug those values in. And so this is my linear equation. I need m using the slope formula, and I need b using y equals mx plus b. So then there's usually some follow-up questions asking you to use your equation and solve or predict. And so this says, using your linear model, how many people would you expect to attend the 10th year of the carnival? And so I just want to go back up and see which one is years and which one is people. Years is first, so years is my x value. And so I want to plug in 10 for x. So I'm going to use my equation and do 25 times 10 plus 5. And I can type that all in my calculator to get 255. So using our model, we'd predict that 255 people would attend the 10th year. And so make sure you add a unit. The next question says, one year there were 308 people in attendance. What year would you guess this might be? And so this is working a little bit backwards. So instead of giving us the year, they're giving us the people, and our people is our y value. And so in this case, we want to plug in 308 into y. So we have 308 equals 25x plus 5. And then we could just solve this like normal. To get 303 equals 25x. And 303 divided by 25 is 12.12. I obviously cannot have it be the 12.12th year. That doesn't make any sense. But I would guess it's probably closest to year 12 because this is not a lot. If it was like 12.8 or 12.9, we might want to guess the 13th year. But I'm going to say that my guess would be the 12th year.